In a much-awaited order today, Bombay High Court is going to decide whether Rhea Chakravarti and her brother Shouvik Chakravarti are going to walk out of jail on bail, or whether they are going to stay behind bars for some more days. Now, apart from Rhea Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti, order on bail plea of Sushant's house manager Samuel Miranda, his house help Dipesh Sawant, and alleged drug peddler Abdul Basit Parihar, orders on their bail pleas is also likely to come today. Now, talking about the arguments which took place as far as Rhea's bail application was concerned, first of all, it was on 8th of September that Rhea Chakravarti, Sushant's girlfriend and live-in partner, was arrested by NCB for allegedly procuring and purchasing drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, NCB also accused that Rhea Chakravarti was a part of an active drug syndicate which was supplying drugs to Bollywood celebrities. Similar were the allegations against her brother Shouvik Chakravarti as well. Now, it was on 8th of September itself when she was arrested. A bail application was moved in Mumbai court, which was rejected. On 11th of September, Rhea Chakravarti's second bail plea, which was moved in Sessions High Court, a special NDPS court there, that was rejected. And today is the third day when Rhea Chakravarti's bail pleas order, when she moved to Bombay High Court, the order on that bail application is to be given by Bombay High Court. Now, when the matter was argued, at that time, NCB strongly opposed the bail application. In fact, NCB's lawyer, while arguing for the agency, mentioned that how this is also about sending the right message to the society, and if a Bollywood celebrity is into drugs, that certainly doesn't do so. Talking about Rhea Chakravarti's lawyer, he made a couple of points. First was he opposed Section 27A of NDPS Act, which is under which she is booked, one of the sections under which she is booked. So this section actually talks about illicit trafficking, harboring and financing drug-related people and activities. So Rhea Chakravarti's lawyer said that whether it's Rhea or Shouvik, both of them, NCB does not have anything on record, no evidence at all on record to establish this section, the charges under this section against either Rhea Chakravarti or Shouvik Chakravarti. Apart from that, he also said that when the raids, house searches were conducted at Shouvik and Rhea's house, at that time also NCB did not find, could not recover any drugs or any money which could have been attributed as sale proceed of the drugs. Now, if we talk about other arguments which were made by Rhea Chakravarti's lawyer, of course, he mentioned that how she's framed, she's a part of a political conspiracy which is going on. All those arguments were made. In fact, talking about the arguments made by other people, other accused lawyers as well, they also mentioned that till that time the number of arrests in the case were 19, and it was mentioned by one of the lawyers that despite arresting 19 accused, NCB was actually unable to recover even 100 even 1 kg of ganja. So obviously, according to these lawyers, NCB didn't really have a strong case against their clients. Now, whether Bombay High Court is going to go through, whether Bombay High Court is going to go with all these arguments of the lawyers or not, that's something we'll get to see in some time. In Mumbai, with camera person Vinayak, this is Santya for Mirror Now.